Welcome, guardians of manhood and honor. This video is not for everyone. It's for the man who's tired of living at half his strength, for the man who feels deep inside that something just isn't right. Today, we're going to talk, bluntly, unapologetically, about 5 destructive habits that are stripping away your masculinity, killing your dignity, and turning you from a strong, independent man into a passive shadow of yourself. If you're man enough to face the truth, if you're ready to reclaim your fire, your power, and your place as a real man, then watch this video to the end. Every point we'll cover could radically change your life. Let's begin. Habit 1. Constant complaining. A man who complains all the time loses respect. Every time you open your mouth to whine, you're telling the world, I'm weak, I can't handle life, please, someone fix it for me. Listen closely. The world has no mercy for complainers. Masculinity doesn't walk hand in hand with victimhood. Lift your head, shut your mouth, start acting. Masculinity is proven through action, not words. Habit 2. Porn addiction. You're not just destroying your body, you're poisoning your mind and soul. Every time you watch that garbage, you're stealing from your energy, your self-respect, your drive. You live in fantasy, and you kill your ability to form real, powerful, masculine connections. A real man controls himself. He's not ruled by his urges. If you can't control your desires, how will you control your future, your household, your destiny? Habit 3. Procrastination. I'll start tomorrow. I'll change when I'm ready. These are lies you tell yourself to justify your fear. A man doesn't wait for the perfect moment. He stands up, makes mistakes, learns, and keeps going. Procrastination is a disease. It turns you into a spectator of your own life instead of its leader. Rip that laziness off of you and start today, not tomorrow. Habit 4. Avoiding responsibility. Do you run from responsibility? Do you blame your parents, society, circumstances? A real man doesn't complain about responsibility. He seeks it. Because he knows masculinity is forged under pressure, in challenges, through accountability. If you keep running today, tomorrow you'll watch weaker men rise while you're left behind. Habit 5. Toxic circle of friends. Look around you. Who are your friends? Are they wasting their lives in coffee shops, gossiping, chasing nonsense? You are a reflection of who you surround yourself with. You can't rise while drowning in a sea of the weak and unmotivated. If you want to grow, change your environment now. Cut off the poison. Build your tribe. A strong man knows when to walk away and when to rebuild. Masculinity isn't just about muscles. It's about mindset, discipline, self-respect, and leadership. If you're stuck in any of these habits, today is the day you say, enough. No one is coming to save you. Only you can pull yourself out of the pit, and the clock is ticking. Make a vow to yourself now. Live as a man, or don't live at all. If this video lit a fire inside you, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Because here, we are building a new generation of men, a generation of guardians of manhood and honor. I'll see you in the next video. Farewell, guardians of manhood and honor.